Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. So now we will study about plants around us. Now let's start. In the space given below, draw and color the fruits with the help of the clues given. Also write its name correctly. So a fruit with one seed, hint is, this is mango. A fruit with few seeds, hint is apple. And a fruit with many seeds, and this is watermelon. So you have to write them down and paste the pictures also. So we see different types of plants around us. Let us study about them. So different types of plants. Trees are big plants. They are big and strong. They have strong and thick stem called the trunk. They live for many years, and here are some common trees like banyan tree and mango tree. So trees आपके सबसे बड़े plants होते हैं. Thick इनका stem होता है, which is called the trunk, and they live up to many years like mango tree, banyan tree. Then shrubs are smaller than trees. They have woody stem and are bushy in appearance. They live for some years, and here are some common shrubs like rose plant, tulsi plant. So shrubs आपके छोटे plants होते हैं. They are bushy, झुंड में होते हैं, कुछ सालों तक ये रहते हैं like rose and tulsi plant. Then herbs are small plants. They have green and soft stems. They live for short time. Here are some common herbs like mint and spinach. Shrubs, herbs आपके और छोटे होते हैं, कुछ months तक ही ये रहते हैं like mint and spinach. इनकी stems बहुत weak होती हैं. Now good to know, herbs like coriander and mint are used in food to add flavor to it. Neem and tulsi are medicinal plants. तो herbs और coriander आपके खाने में डाले जाते हैं flavor को enhance करने के लिए, और नीम और तुलसी जैसे जो plants होते हैं, these are medicinal. इनकी medicinal properties होती हैं. Then we have climbers and creepers. These are the plants with weak stems. Climbers cannot stand on their support or on their own, and they need a support to stand. Like money plant, grapevine. अब climbers और creepers इनकी weak तो बिल्कुल ही इनकी stems बहुत ही ज़्यादा weak होती हैं. Climbers खुद से अपने आप stand up नहीं कर पाते. इनको support की ज़रूरत होती है, जैसे money plant और grapevine. Then creepers move or grow along the ground like watermelon and cucumber. इनकी तो इतनी ज़्यादा वीक होती है, सपोर्ट दोगे तो भी नहीं अपने आप खड़े हो पाते. ये आपके ग्राउंड के साथ साथ ही क्रॉल करते हैं. That is why these are called creepers like watermelon and cucumber. Now let's take a test. Read the sentences and write yes or no. We should pluck flowers? No. And likewise answer the rest of the questions also. Now uses of plants. So plants gives us many things like they give us cotton for clothes, they give us food, plants give us medicines. कपड़े आपके cotton के बनते हैं, वो cotton plant से आता है, खाना आपको plant से मिलता है, और कुछ medicines भी आपको plant से मिलती हैं. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Plants give us wood for furniture. Plants give shelter to birds and animals. इसके अलावा oxygen जिससे हम सांस लेते हैं वो आपको प्लांट से मिलता है. फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए लकड़ी आपको प्लांट से मिलती है, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बहुत सारे एनिमल्स और आपके बर्ड्स प्लांट्स को यूज करते हैं एज देयर शेल्टर्स, घर बना लेते हैं. Now let's revise. Plants are an important part of our life. Trees are big plants. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Herbs are small plants. Then climbers and creepers have soft, tender and weak stems. Plants give us many things. So plants बहुत important होते हैं. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, these are all different kinds of plants and they are very important for us. Now practice time. Tick the correct answer. Rose plant is a shrub. Option A. Shrubs are smaller than trees. B. Big and strong plants are called trees. Option A. We get pulses from plants. Option C. Now fill in the blanks. Plants gives us fruits and vegetables. Trees live for many years. Trees give us wood to make furniture. Spinach is a shrub. Plants give shelter to birds and animals. What kinds of plants are these? Complete their names. Number 1 is your tree. Then second is your shrub. After that it is the herb. Then we have the climbers and last is your creeper. Now answer the following questions. What are herbs? Herbs are small plants which live up to few months and they have medicinal properties also, like mint and coriander. And likewise you have to answer the rest of the questions also. And these are also the questions that we have studied. Just answer them. Now skills builder. Divide the children into 3 groups. Give them leaves of different shapes and color. Ask them to classify and arrange as given below. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 1 from small to big. तो इन सबको अलग अलग क्लास में डिवाइड करके you have to give them different kinds of leaves. आपकी टीचर आपको ये करवाएंगी and then accordingly हर एक बच्चा अलग अलग plants की कैटेगरी को identify करेगा. Then put the following plants in right columns like your banyan, wheat, rose, sunflower, henna, mango, neem, tulsi. Then you have tree. तो banyan आपका tree की कैटेगरी में आ जाएगा, rose आपका shrub की कैटेगरी में आ जाएगा और तुलसी आपकी herb की कैटेगरी में आ जाएगी. Likewise आपको हर कैटेगरी में appropriately जो नाम है वो आपको लिख डालने हैं. Now make a cutout of a tree and decorate it with the various things. Tree का cutout निकालिए and then उसको अलग अलग चीज़ों से decorate करिए. Then take a small clay pot, ask the gardener to fill it with soil, sprinkle the dried petals of a marigold flower in it, keep it in the sun and water it every morning and evening, and after some days you will find tiny saplings of marigold. Watch them grow and see colorful flowers bloom. छोटा सा clay pot निकालिए, flower को खुद pot करिए and then see how they grow beautifully. Now the life skill. Watering plants and watching them grow teaches us love and patience. तो plants को water करना and then watching them patiently grow is a very good act of love and patience. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.